Hello beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. On today's video we are going to be doing a bit of cleaning, we are going to be doing organizing, and we are also going to be doing cooking. So if you want to watch that, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. If it's the first time for you on this channel, I welcome you so much. My name is Ruth Wambogo. Please consider subscribing if you love my content, and also consider clicking the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get started. Hi loves, I'm starting off my day with a punch of fresh carrot squeeze, and I make my carrot juice like a carrot squeeze, and then I go ahead to add ginger and lime. Note it's lime, not lemon, because lime has a very beautiful fragrance and flavor that makes this juice to just taste perfect. If you have a problematic skin, you can actually enjoy this juice and you're going to see results on your skin in days. Yes, this is definitely a juice that I would highly recommend because it's really good even in health, and it's very rich in beta carotene for our eyes and so many other good benefits. And voila, this is my juice. It's so refreshing, and I'm showing you the ingredients that are in this juice, and please, I recommend, if you want to try it, I'm so sure you're going to love it. And forgive my obsession with just these toasted tomatoes. I think they just taste amazing with a little bit of black pepper and salt, and that is all I'm taking for breakfast, and of course a cup of tea. We are getting into the laundry, and most of you ask me questions on my reviews of the washing machine, and that's why I thought it's smart to include a laundry routine where I'm showing you how I do my laundry from time to time. And yeah, you are welcome to check also the other videos. Thank you for 10k views on those videos, and you can go check them out. I'm going actually to link them on the description bar of this video, so you can go ahead and check them out. So the first step with this laundry is like I'm filling in the wash tub with water, and I always put water up to the level shown in the washing machine, and then I've added in the detergent of choice. I'm just going to give this a good agitation so that the soap actually lathers well, and I'm going to just dump in my clothes, and mostly I start with those clothes that are not so soiled, or the whites or the creams. I start with them, and then I will continue showing you what happens. So I just load the clothes, and I can tell actually up to the level that the washing machine is doing a perfect job. So make sure that even in as much as you load your clothes, that the clothes are totally covered by the water level, yeah. And then after that, I'm obviously going to set my knob, the wash knob, to 15 minutes, and yeah, that's it. And the washing machine is also set on the normal wash. Yeah, it has a gentle, normal, and of course the drain. So this is the normal wash. After 15 minutes you can see the water level and you can see the clothes are clean. So I'm just moving them from the wash tub to the spin tub. Yeah, that's basically it, where I'm going to spin them so that I can remove excess soapy water and then continue with the process of doing the laundry. To actually put the spinner cap, press it a little bit and then close it. Okay, the washing tub still has the water that I used for my whites and it's not as dirty, so I'm just going to add in a little bit of soap and actually throw in the second batch of my clothes, because this water can actually go ahead to clean my second batch of clothes. And I can be washing and spinning on this other side, as you can see. So the spinning is done and I'm just going to actually remove this load of clothes and actually put them here in my basin. This is one way you can rinse clothes, but I'm just actually just putting them on the basin for them to wait for the other load to finish, so that I can show you how I actually do the rinsing with my washing machine. So my second load is done and I'm just going to drain the dirty water. As you can see, the washing machine always has some silt left, so when you drain the water, obviously go ahead and rinse the washing machine before you fill it again with clean water to do the rinsing for your clothes. So you can see here I'm just cleaning the machine, all the wash tub, and then of course the knob was on drain, and when I'm done rinsing it, I'm returning the knob to normal so that I can fill it again with water to start the rinsing process. It's that simple. It's actually really easy to work with it. When that is done, all those clothes that were spinning here, all excess water, the soapy water is dry completely. So I'm just putting them in here. I'm going to give them a good spin to make sure that they don't have any soap and they are well rinsed. I'll actually keep checking my water until I'm satisfied to have rinsed the clothes perfectly, and then of course I'm going to put them back in the spinner to get them spinned dry. So you see, keep checking the water, and if you're satisfied with the rinsing, then go ahead and spin dry those clothes. So I've done that procedure, and then the third time I'm filling up my tub is for the fabric softener. I just had 2 loads of clothes, so I'm done. I'm just filling in the tub again. You don't have actually to fill it all the way if you don't want to waste water. And this is the fabric softener that I have been loving. I fell in love with this fabric softener a long time ago when I had my son, when he was a newborn, and I still use it because I think it just smells heavenly and so fresh. So a cup full of that, and I'm actually putting it in the wash tub. Again, I'm filling my water. You can see the tap is still running, and I'm filling the water up to the level that I think is convenient for me. Of course, I agitate it so that it gets a good consistency. And then what happens next is I'm just going to throw in clothes, and the clothes have been spinned here, so they are completely dry from the rinsing water. So I just throw them in here and then I give them a spin, and yeah, I return them back and spin them dry, ready for hanging. This is actually very easy, and this is my laundry routine. I don't even spend a whole day doing this. I just spend maybe an hour and then my laundry is done, and I just let it hang outside for 1 hour at most if the weather is good, and my clothes are done, they are dry and they are very clean, and I'm just left with folding, ironing, and storage. That's basically my laundry routine. So next we are moving into the bedrooms, and I just want to show you where I was telling you in my previous video where I buy my duvet covers. Actually, I got these bed sheets. It's a duvet cover, a bed sheet, and pillowcases, and it's actually really nice because it is made of satin on one side and the other side is cotton. It's a perfect blend for la duvet cover, and I really love it. So sometimes I just change up the mood of my bedroom using the duvet and the duvet covers. Actually, mostly the duvet covers, the throw pillows, and just, you know, the mat, the bedside mat that I put over there. And of course, there are these fake flowers is what I keep changing up on the bedroom so that I can have a different mood anytime I want something fancy. Again, this duvet cover, I also got it from Easily. There's someone who sells these classic duvet covers, and they are cotton. Some are made of satin, a mixture, or you can just simply get whatever kind of duvet covers you like. Okay, these mats, I bought them at Carrefour, Kenya, in Galleria Mall, yes. And it's actually a very nice, fluffy bedside mat. It's actually really warm and I love it. My bedside lamp, of course, you know it's from Hamdu collection. I've already done a detailed video on some of my home decor items. On my favorite part today, we are making some potato crispy bhajias or crispy potato bhajias. And yeah, don't worry about the quantity. This is for a whole family. So this is the gram flour that I'm going to be using. And did you know that gram flour is made from chickpeas? Yeah. So I have my gram flour there. My gram flour, I'm adding in a little bit of salt. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of turmeric. I'm adding in a teaspoon or a tablespoon of black pepper depending on how hot you want them to be. And then I'm adding in my chopped cilantro or dania, whatever you want to call them, or coriander. I think it's all the same. Then I'm giving the mixture a quick stir like you see in the video. When I'm satisfied, I'm adding in a little bit of water to my mixture and just making sure that I get a good consistency on the mixture. I'm also heating up my oil because this is comfort food and it's definitely deep fried. Then put your dried potatoes, and they are sliced into these sizes, not so thin, not so thick, just medium sizes, and then coat them well and immediately start deep frying them in hot oil. cook them in low heat so that they can cook for a bit, for more minutes, around 6-7 minutes. Look at how delicious they look, and they're crispy and very pillowy on the inside. Yum, yum, yum. Homemade bhajias are the best. Do you love bhajias? Have you tried out any recipe for bhajias? I definitely love them. I hope you try them out too. I hope you loved this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already. This completely supports my channel and I appreciate it so much. Until next time, bye bye.